Good morning, students. Now we are going to start with the second method of adjustment of capital. In this method, the new partner is going to bring capital on the basis of the total capital of the old partners. So see, if new partner is to bring capital in proportion to his share in profit and loss, and the amount of capital is determined on the basis of the total of capital of the old partner. Means here you have to decide the capital on the basis of the old partners. Then firstly you have to see total adjusted capital of old partner. Okay, you have to calculate the adjusted capital of the old partner. How you are going to calculate the capital of the adjusted old partner? Simple, you can prepare capital accounts. In this you will pass all the entries, and that the balance you are going to get, that is your adjusted capital, like by balance brought down, by premium for goodwill, by reserves to goodwill to profit and loss debit balance. In this way you will pass all the adjustments, and the balance you are going to get, that is your adjusted capital. After you get your adjusted capital, suppose there are two partners, you will determine total capital of new firm. You will add the adjusted capital of two partners and then multiply it with the reciprocal value of combined share of the two partners. Suppose the new partner is coming for 1/4 share. Your reciprocal, understand. New partner is coming for 1/4 share. Total share is 1. 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. Here you will multiply it with reciprocal, means 4/3. Clear? This is the reciprocal value of combined share. After that you have to determine capital of the incoming partner. So you here get total capital multiply 1/4 share of incoming partner, जितना वो share लेके आ रहा है. So this were the three simple steps, and last step is same, to cash by cash. You have to balance it. So see, revaluation account. I have solved a sum for you, sum number 86 from your book. See the revaluation account here. In this sum, there were two partners, Abhay and Binay, and they admitted Chitra for 1/4 share. Firstly, there are few adjustments. Their stock has increased by 2,500. 8,000 stock was taken over by the partner. Total stock was 10,000, 12,000. 10,000, and the stock increased 10,500. So 500 increased by stock account. Next, bad debts were there, so two bad debts account 500. Plant and machinery reduced 28,000. So we have a loss here by loss on revaluation account 28,000, transferred to Abhay's capital account 14,000, Binay's 14,000, because their ratio is 1:1. Further we are preparing now capital account. Here starts your method. You are going to prepare a full capital account. You have written balance brought down of Abhay and Vinay from the balance sheet. By bank entry, I'll explain you later on. Then he has bought 5,000 for goodwill. By premium for goodwill 25,500. There were workman compensation fund 7,500. Come here on this side, means you have to pass all the entries. To revaluation account, loss was there. To goodwill written off 5,000. Profit and loss debit balance 2,500. Stock was taken 8,000 by both the partners in the ratio 1:1. So to stock account 4,000. After doing this much, you have to prepare a working note. See, total of Abhay's capital you have to find out, beta. So Abhay's capital is 55,000, or last capital account you can check 55,000 plus 2,500 plus 7,500 minus 14,000, 5,000, 2,500, 4,000. Same I have written here. See, 55,000 plus 2,500, 7,500 minus 14,000 minus 5,000 minus 2,500 minus 4,000. You got 39,500. Okay, 39,500. Next, Binay is the same method. 30,000 plus 2,500 plus 7,500 minus 14,000 minus 5,000 minus 2,500 minus 4,000. You get 14,500. So total capital of the firm will be this multiply reciprocal value 4 upon 3. I have already explained you how I have get 4 upon 3. Total share was 1. 1 minus incoming partner 1 upon 4. I got 3 upon 4. Here reciprocal value is 4 upon 3. You got total capital here. And if you want to calculate Chitra's capital, total capital multiply 1/4 is 18,000. Now you have to pass this entry by bank account 18,000. Okay, by bank account 18,000. Now you have to calculate new capital of Chitra, Abhay and Vinay also. So total capital 39,500 plus 14,500 multiply 1 upon 2, 27,000. Same year 27,000. Goodwill of the firm was valued 20,000, so he bought 1/4 share. So 20,000 multiply 1 upon 4, 5,000 he bought in cash. That's why I have passed entry by premium for goodwill. Okay, so this was your 27,000 balance. You will write down now. Two balance carried down, 27,000 and 27,000. Now you have to total both the side and see on which side you have the deficiency. On that side you will write to bank account. इस साइड को प्लस कर लो, इस साइड को प्लस कर लो. अगर यहाँ पे बैलेंस कम है तो यहाँ पे जितना अमाउंट से बैलेंस कम है लिख दो टू बैंक अकाउंट 12,500. सेम इस साइड को प्लस कर लो, इस साइड को प्लस कर लो. अगर इस तरफ बैलेंस कम है बाई बैलेंस बैंक अकाउंट 12,500. ठीक है, इस तरफ भी बाई बैंक अकाउंट और इस तरफ भी टू बैंक अकाउंट. कि इतने पैसे हमने आ गए हैं, इतने हमने. ठीक है, क्लियर. दिस साइड कि इतने हमने निकाल दिए, इतने हमें ले लेंगे. क्रेडिटेड एंड डेबिटेड. This was all about your sum. If your new partner is bringing capital on the basis of the old share, you have to firstly calculate adjusted capitals, then reciprocal, then capital of new partner and old partner on the basis of that adjusted total capitals. So you can complete your sums, and with this this chapter is completed. Admission of partnership is completed. After that no method is left. So complete the sums till the end and get ready for the test. Thank you.